morning, guys. Today we're going to move on to a new topic called area and volume. And we're going to start off by kind of reviewing what you should already have done from last year with Mr. O'Donoghue. And that's, so the questions we're going to be looking at are on page 102 and 103. Okay, so this is just reviewing stuff you would have already done last year with Mr. O'Donoghue. Right, so we come along and we're going to do questions 7, question 9, and question 12. Right, so let's start off with question 7, and I'm going to do part 3 first of all. And just from reading the question, we're told that this breaks into a rectangle and a triangle. And we're told the perpendicular height, the perpendicular height of our triangle is 8. And our width is 18. And our height is 11. So therefore, we're going to break that into 2 zones. We have zone 1 up here, and we have zone 2 down here. So what does that mean? Zone 1, area of zone 1 is equal to, well, it's a half the base by the perpendicular height. So that's the formula you would have covered last year. Perpendicular, that's the symbol for perpendicular, and then height. So perpendicular, that just means that if this is the base of the triangle, if this is the base, well, then this is going to be the perpendicular height if it comes off the base at a right angle. So the perpendicular height of this triangle here is this distance from here to here, because it comes off the base at a perpendicular to the vertex opposite it. Vertex meaning corner of a triangle. So it's a half of the base, which is 18, by the perpendicular height, which is 8. So the reason why I'm saying this distance here is 18, because I'm told it's a rectangle here, and that side there is 18 from the question. And that gives me 9/8 or 72. That's going to be centimeters squared. And then area of Z2 is equal to 18 times 11. So that's going to give me 180 plus 18 is 198 centimeters squared. And then area total is equal to 72 plus 198, which is equal to 270. Okay, so the total area of that shape is 270 centimeters squared. Right, let's do question 9, part 2. So you're given this sort of a shape here, and then there's a kind of an inner part to it, and we're told that it is 30 across the top and 15 high, and we're told this one here is 12 and this one here is 27. So there's a number of ways of doing this. The most straightforward one is to think about this as being a rectangle with another rectangle taken out of it. That's the easiest way of doing it. Okay, so we're going to work out the red area. Maybe you can't see that, but that's the red area. Okay, and then from the red area we're going to actually take out the green area. So we're going to take away the green area. So that's my strategy here. Okay, so red area is equal to 15 times 30, which is equal to 450. And then the green area is equal to 12 times 27, That's equal to 270 plus 27 is 297 plus 27 ends in a 4, 304, 324, is it? I better check that on my calculator. Never trust my arithmetic. 1, 2 multiplied by 27 equals 324, yeah. Okay, so that's the, now that's the two different areas worked out. So we've worked out the total area, the big area, which is the red area, and then we've worked out this green area, the area of the part in the middle. The way that we can work out just the border around the edge is spotting that when we take away the green area from the red area, the area that's left must be that border area. So immediately we go 450, take away 324, 450 minus answer equals 126. 126 centimeters squared again. Is that okay? So that was one way of doing that question. It's a really strong tool, being able to take an area out. Okay. Now I want to take a look at a different way of doing exactly the same question, and hopefully we get the same answer. Bit of a disaster if we don't. Anyway, let's go for it. So again, let's jump in here. And this is probably the least, this is a less good way of doing it. It's still correct, but you wouldn't want to do it this way, okay? So we're going to work out that rectangle there. We're also going to work out this rectangle here. Now, because it's 27 from here to here, and because it's 30 from here to here, that means that each of these here must be 1.5. Because there's 3 short to add 27 onto 30. So that means there must be 3 in these gaps here, and we're going to assume they're both equal. So there's 1.5 in each of them. And we're told that it's 15 high. So again, red area is equal to 15 by 1.5. That's 15 plus 7.5, which is 22.5. Green area equals, well, again, we're going to use the same system. It's 15 from there to there, and it's only 12 from there to there. So therefore, again, there must be 1.5 up there and 1.5 down there. Because there's 3 missing again, and there's 3 distributed over the 2 places, so there must be 1.5 in each of those places. So we're going to go for 15. No, sorry. That's not the green area at all. What am I looking at here? It's this distance, which is 27, by the height, which is 1.5. And that gives me 40.5. Now, if I add these together, that will be half of the area of the border. Or I could think about it that there's another green area up here, and there's another red area down here. So I have 2 times 22.5, and I have 2 times 40.5. So that's going to give me 45 here and 81 here, is it? And when I add those two together, I should get 126, which I think I do. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now, let's take a look at question 12. Page 103, and we're going to take a look at let's do part 3. And we have this triangle here. And we're told that its area is, we're told its height is h, and we're told area is equal to 45. So a half the base by the perpendicular height, so it's a half times 10 times h is equal to 45. So therefore 5h must equal to 45. Okay, a half times 10 is 5. That gives us 5h is 45. And if 5 multiplied by h is 45, well, to get rid of 5 on this side, the 5 is multiplying the h. So to get rid of multiplying by 5, we divide by 5 on the other side. And that gives us our answer for h. Hey guys, so we leave it there. And remember, you can pause the video wherever you want and you can take down notes and stuff. So you can take it as slow or as fast as you want. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow with some more sums. Bye.